Hey there! If you're looking to lower your cholesterol naturally, I've got an amazing remedy for you. It's simple, effective, and uses ingredients you might already have at home. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we'll need 3 powerful ingredients: flax seeds, dried ginger, and cinnamon. Start by taking 100 grams of flax seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which help reduce cholesterol. Next, grab 20 grams of dried ginger. Ginger is a fantastic anti-inflammatory and can aid in breaking down cholesterol. Finally, add 20 grams of cinnamon. This spice isn't just for flavor. Cinnamon can actually help lower bad cholesterol levels too. Now grind these ingredients into a fine powder. Make sure they mix thoroughly to form a single homogeneous powder. It's super easy to do with a good blender or a spice grinder. Okay, so how do you use this magical powder? Simply consume 1 tablespoon of this mixture with water after each meal. That means after breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Keep this up for 40 days. Yes, it does take a bit of commitment, but trust me, the results will be worth it. After 40 days, get your cholesterol levels tested. You're likely to see significant improvement with your cholesterol levels returning to normal. And there you have it. A natural, effective way to manage your cholesterol without relying on medication. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. And remember, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new remedy. Thanks for watching.